Mercedes-Benz, a venerable and esteemed luxury car company valued at approximately $80 billion, boasts a remarkable history that traces its roots back to its modest beginnings. Founded by an enterprising engineer who encountered a myriad of obstacles and setbacks in his quest to create the first horseless carriage, the company burgeoned into the foremost and largest production car manufacturer by the late 19th century. However, this saga of triumph and innovation took a disquieting turn when Mercedes-Benz became embroiled in the contentious business of supplying military vehicles to the Nazis during World War II, a chapter tarnished by the exploitation of forced laborers. Today, we embark on an extensive and in-depth exploration of the captivating narrative of Mercedes-Benz and its visionary founder, Carl Benz, delving into the intricacies of the company's evolution and the indelible mark it left on the automotive industry. Carl Benz entered the world in November 1844 in the quaint German town of Mühlberg, born into a modest household following the untimely passing of his father when he was a mere 2 years old. Enduring financial hardships and growing up amidst poverty, Carl's mother steadfastly championed his education, recognizing his inherent brilliance in subjects such as chemistry and mechanics from an early age. Inspired by his father's occupation as a locomotive driver, Carl set his sights on a career in mechanical engineering, eventually enrolling at the esteemed University of Karlsruhe. It was here that Carl crossed paths with Ferdinand Rettenbacher, a distinguished figure whose teachings and mentorship would play a pivotal role in shaping Carl's future endeavors. Rettenbacher's visionary perspective on transforming mechanical engineering into a technical science ignited Carl's fascination with horseless carriages, sparking a relentless pursuit of innovation and experimentation in the realm of motorized vehicles. While the early pioneers of automobile engineering predominantly relied on steam engine technology, Carl discerned the need for a novel and groundbreaking approach under Rettenbacher's guidance. Despite facing skepticism and ridicule from his contemporaries, Carl remained resolute in his vision, unwavering in his belief that the future of transportation lay in the creation of a horseless carriage. Upon graduating from university, Carl embarked on a series of engineering roles, gaining valuable experience and insights that would eventually pave the way for his own entrepreneurial journey. In 1871, at the young age of 27, Carl forged a partnership with a skilled mechanic named August Ritter, establishing an iron foundry and mechanical workshop in Mannheim, all the while nurturing his ambition of bringing to life a motorized carriage that would revolutionize the concept of transportation. Encountering initial setbacks and challenges due to an unreliable business partner and financial constraints, Carl's fortunes took a fortuitous turn upon crossing paths with Bertha Ringer, a woman of remarkable strength and determination who later became his wife. Bertha's unwavering support and financial backing enabled Carl to buy out his partner's stake in the business, setting the stage for their collaborative success. Over the ensuing decade, Carl made significant strides in his experiments, culminating in the groundbreaking development of a gasoline two-stroke engine in 1879 that laid the foundation for his pioneering work in the realm of automotives. Securing patents for a myriad of inventions, Carl was on the cusp of realizing his dream of creating the first true horseless carriage. However, as production costs escalated and the demands of the burgeoning industry intensified, Carl found himself compelled to restructure his venture into a joint stock company in 1882, a decision that saw him relinquishing a portion of his ownership stake and diminishing his influence within the company. Disheartened by this turn of events, Carl resolved to pursue his passion for innovation and entrepreneurship on his own terms, setting the stage for a new chapter in his storied career. Establishing Benz NCA alongside partners Max Rose and Friedrich Wilhelm, Carl pivoted his focus towards the manufacturing of industrial machines and stationary gas engines, all the while nurturing his ambition of bringing his vision of a motorized carriage to fruition. In 1885, Carl unveiled the Benz patent Motorwagen, a groundbreaking creation hailed as the world's first true automobile, powered by a gasoline 4-stroke motor. Despite encountering skepticism and resistance from critics and peers, Carl remained steadfast in his conviction that the horseless carriage represented the future of transportation, a belief that would see him become the first person in the world to commence commercial sales of automobiles in 1888. Bertha Benz's historic journey in the Benz patent Motorwagen in 1888, a momentous expedition covering a distance of 66 miles and showcasing the vehicle's capabilities, served as a watershed moment that catapulted Carl's invention into the limelight. This remarkable journey, marked by numerous challenges and obstacles overcome by Bertha and her 2 sons, not only underscored the potential of the automobile, but also generated significant publicity for Benz and CA, propelling the company's growth and solidifying its place in automotive history. With the addition of new business partners and the introduction of innovative engineering advancements, Carl Benz's legacy as a trailblazer in the automotive industry was firmly established, setting the stage for Mercedes-Benz to emerge as a global leader in luxury automobile manufacturing. From its modest beginnings to its current status as a revered automotive powerhouse, Mercedes-Benz's journey is a testament to the enduring legacy of innovation, perseverance, and vision.